Here I've got a Craftsman garage door opener that I've converted into a side mount operator. Now this unit is equipped with a backup battery and also got a two 3-button remotes with it, with the clips. And then also have a set of photo eyes to go with it. The only thing I don't have is the wall console. And so this one's pretty smooth and quiet. I'll go ahead and run it for you. Now again, this model here has digital limits, so this unit will fit on any height of a garage door. And also it has the pressure settings as well, so if it comes down on something, it'll sense that and reverse and go back up. So if you got any questions, go ahead and let me know. I do have the lens covers. I just didn't put them on because I don't have enough room here. I mounted this too close to the garage door. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know.